whipped cream, anyone?
All right, this is so simple. What you're gonna need is cold, heavy whipping cream and some powdered sugar.
I don't have powdered sugar.
Oh, it's all good. If you don't have powdered sugar, all you're gonna need some sugar and some cornstarch.
Period.
So we're gonna make our powdered sugar. If you don't have powdered sugar in your pantry, this is exactly what you wanna do. All you need is a half a cup of the cane sugar, not bleached sugar. White sugar is bleached. And then some cornstarch. This is about a teaspoon of cornstarch. So, oh my God, that's powerful. You can check it. Look at that.
Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar, okay?
Perfect.
So,
Who would have thought?
let's get back to whipped cream.
Yes.
Yes, this is what we're gonna bring out.
Big red.
Big red. We're
Shout
gonna,
out to KitchenAid.
yes, thank you, KitchenAid. Bring your whisk attachment. Yeah, so we're gonna grab some cold milk, and we're only gonna need like 2 teaspoons of this. Now you have powdered sugar for next time, but you only need about 2 teaspoons for this recipe. You go ahead and pour the cold, heavy whipping cream directly in the bowl,
Okay.
and just add the 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And then what else I like to do is I like adding vanilla. Yeah, bring the vanilla paste.
Ta-da-da.
Yeah, so just gonna add just a little bit of vanilla, about a tablespoon, a teaspoon. There, that's all you need. Now we're just gonna go ahead and let it whip. I think we can have that. Yeah. All right, it's done. It does not take no time at all.
Yeah, that was quick.
That was. So here we go. Oh yeah, see?
Oh yeah, that's the stiff peak we're talking about.
Yeah, oops. But that's like literally whipped cream. It didn't take no time at all, and you'll have whipped cream in minutes. So enjoy.
Easy.
All right, so here we go, some whipped cream.
Oh my God. That's so
How is it? So easy. Literally, it took us like 3 minutes.
No. So fast.
As Nila's happy dance. Okay, so that's it. Get you some whipped cream.